Hey guys, thank you for stopping by. If this is your first time, you are very welcome to my channel. So like you already know, today we are making some delicious milky puff puff, and I've already gone ahead to introduce you to all of the ingredients we'll be needing for this simple recipe. All of the measurements have been displayed on the screen so far, and now it's time to make the milky puff puff. So what you want to do is to add all of your ingredients, including your yeast, every single thing, to the flour mix. Okay, so we have 2.5 cups of flour. Actually what I needed was 2 cups. That will give me 35 pieces of puff puff, and that is exactly what I will be packaging for my client. So because she'll be picking up, I don't want to delay her while I'm making my video, so I added extra half cup so I can show you the finished look and how I am going to dress it. Okay, so everything is in the bowl. Like I said, over there I have my warm water, and I'm going to start with half a cup. Of course I know what I need for this, but for those of you that will be asking me how many cups of water did I add, that is why I decide to show you bit by bit. So now I've added 2.5 cups, making 1 cup. I'm going to add the third one, which is all I actually needed, but because of the extra half cup that I added to this mix, I'll be adding a bit more water. Okay, so I'm just going to mix and I'll be back to talk to you guys. So I know I must have mentioned before in other videos I've made, but yeah, for those of you that doesn't know, if you want to have a perfect ball of puff puff, you need to make sure you don't over mix with water. The softer it is, the more it's going to soak oil. So what you need to do is to make sure it's thick enough so when you fry, it's going to come out really nice. So my own method of proofing my puff puff fast is to add very boiled water in a bowl, and then add my mixture bowl on top, cover with a nylon and a pot cover, and that is it. I leave this for 10 minutes and this is what it looks like. It's actually doubled in size. So next up, you are going to deflate this just to remove excess air, and you will see how thick it still is. Like I said, you don't want to add too much water. The more water you add, it's going to soak oil. So if that is what you want, actually, if you like the puff puff that soak oil, like all your hands should be full of oil, go ahead and add excess water, even more yeast. But this will give you a very firm and delicious puff puff that you can serve at events, and you won't have issues with oil everywhere. So I just finished frying samosas and spring rolls for my client, and I'm going to use the same oil to fry my puff puff. So this is how I drop mine in the oil. There are a lot of ways to do this, but yeah, I find this helpful because this helped me to maintain the same size of puff puff, because I know I don't want it too big nor too small. This is the way I do it. Okay, I'm going to continue dropping this, and once it's fried, you're going to see how firm and beautiful this looks. guys, my clients have come to pick up our orders, and like I said, I added a half cup so I can show you guys what it looks like. And this is exactly what it looks like. You can see it's not oily, like it doesn't have drops of oil all over. It's dry, it's very nice, it's delicious. This can pass for a buns, but yeah, it's puff puff, it has yeast in it. And to garnish it more, you can just go ahead and add some powdered milk. This is full cream powdered milk, same one I used to make the puff puff. Go ahead and add some milk. If you have condensed milk, you can go ahead and add some. But yeah, I'm adding my pancake topper, which is this chocolate topping that is so nice. I'm adding it because we just want to have this like it's just like okay, this is enjoyment. So go ahead and add whatever topping you have. If you have fruits, you can add it as well. And you can see how this looks. It's so nice, it's yummy, it's delicious. Everything in it calls for luxury, okay? So this is how easy you can make your simple puff puff look really nice and happy to eat. Okay, so let me know if this was helpful, if you are going to be trying this recipe, and leave me a heart in the comment section even if you don't have anything to say. Have a blessed day. Bye.